Anthropic Claude is in the headlines these days. Today we're going to look at Claude Skills. Now my question is, what if the real reason AI is suddenly doing real work is not because it's smarter, but because it knows how to load expertise like a human consultant? Not just answers, not just suggestions, but specialized, repeatable skills that activate when you ask the right thing. You have heard of AI that chats, you have heard of AI that writes code. Today we are going one level deeper. What are Claude skills and why do they make AI actually useful in real workflows? Here is the twist. Skills aren't just prompts, they are modular packages, folders of instructions, scripts, metadata, and templates that Claude automatically loads when your request matches a task. That means instead of repeatedly telling an AI how to perform a job, you teach it once and it uses that expertise on demand. You don't engineer prompts, you package expertise. We will see this in action using a tiny script, an agent powered by Anthropic's Claude and PowerPoint skill. So we'll create a PowerPoint slide today using the skill. But first, what are skills really? And why are they the missing links that turns chatbots into true AI workers? Let's dive in. The script's output I will show you first because you will get error like this: invalid request error. Your credit balance is too low to access the Anthropic API key. See this? So what you need to do is when you get this error, when you run the script, I will show you how I am running the script and I will also explain the script. But first thing is you need to have credits. So you need to log into platform.claude.com/dashboard. There you need to click on settings and billing. Okay, and you need to have some credit added. It is easy to add. I have added $5 for this. Once you add credits under API keys, you can add an API key and copy it. When you create a key itself, you can copy it. Okay, that is one thing you need to do. Now let's look at the script. So this is the script, very small script. So after initial imports, remember we are using Agno's Agentic framework for this. We can also use direct API calls to Claude endpoints. But this is simpler. Here we are defining the agent. So we are using this model. We can choose any other model. And skills, we are choosing type provider Anthropic. Last video we saw how Anthropic skills are available in Anthropic desktop application. And skill ID PPTX. So that is the skill that allows you to create PowerPoint presentations. Version, we are saying latest. So skill ID PPTX. Type Anthropic. Next video I'll show you how to create our own skills and use it like this. And instruction is simple. You're a presentation specialist. Create professional PowerPoint presentations. So here I'm saying create a sales presentation with 2 slides. I've already executed. I'm not going to execute again now, but I will show you the output that I got when I executed first, and then I will explain where the PPT got created. So this is after I added the credit, API credit, and then run.sh is my Python environment, and this is the script that we just saw. Okay, and here it says create a sales presentation with 2 slides. This is our prompt, and here it has created the 2 slides. Okay, but there is no PPT. So that is what is confusing to many, as we won't know where it saved the PPT. And the last line says, the presentation is ready to use and has been exported along with preview images of both slides. See this? But where is our presentation? Now, for this, we need to come to platform.claude.com and click on Files. Okay. And here we have the presentation. See this? This is the PPTX. And here we have the screenshots of the PPTs. So let's open it. Okay, so here we have, this is the first slide. It looks neat. See this, just few lines of Python code using the Agentic framework and Claude PPT skills. So there are plenty of skills available with Claude agent that we can readily use to create such wonderful results with very little prompting. See, if you look at the prompt, what we have asked is just create a sales presentation with 2 slides. Okay, so now if you want to download this, you just need the file ID. In Agno's documentation, they tell us how we can download the file. See this, I will provide the URL to this in the description. In this result, we get the file ID. We can copy the file ID from the Anthropic platform.claude.com, or you can iterate through this. We can make this call and then get the file ID here. And once you have the file ID, all you need is to do this client.beta.files.download and give the file ID. So if you have the file ID, all you need is this part. Otherwise, you need to iterate through this to get the file ID. Again, here we have the file ID. So give me your valuable comments. Any other similar working demos you want to see, come via the comment section. What we have just seen isn't a gimmick. It is a paradigm shift in how AI works. Skills specialize Claude for domain-specific tasks, from PowerPoint deck to complex data workflows without rewriting prompts every time. Skills package procedural knowledge, reusable workflows, and best practices so Claude can load them only when needed, keeping its context efficient. Importantly, you can create your own, giving Claude your playbook templates. See, next video we'll see how to create your own template. In this video, we will see how to use existing skills. So instead of telling an AI agent how to do something with prompts, you teach it what expertise to apply. No more prompt engineering, instead workflow engineering, capability modeling, or agent architecture. For developers, that means a shift from writing software to designing AI capabilities. Composable, reusable, specialized, and context aware. And for teams and businesses, this is how AI starts to matter in the real world. Professional grade automation workflows, plug and play specialist modules, automated document creation, data analysis and reporting on demand. And that is just the beginning. If you want code examples, best practices for building custom skills, and real career guidance for this AI first world, hit subscribe and like. Comment skills if you want a dedicated breakdown on creating your own Claude skills. Because the future of AI isn't just language, it is capability. Now you know how to build it. Stuck with tech? Overwhelmed by AI, cloud, or coding? Mentor Expert gives you personalized one-on-one help, step-by-step guidance, and instant clarity. Your solution starts here.